Emma visits Laira.
Hello, Laira. Hello, Emma. How are you today? I'm fine. How are you? I'm good. What are you doing? Nothing much. I'm a little bored. Really? Me too. It's a beautiful day. Yes, it is. Let's do something fun. That's a good idea. How about going to the park? The park? Yes. That sounds fun. We can have a picnic there. Great idea. First, let's ask your parents. You're right.
Asking for permission.
Mom, can we talk to you?
Of course.
What is it?
Emma and I want to go to the park.
The park?
Yes, Auntie. We want to have a picnic.
I'm not sure.
Why not?
We worry about you.
We'll stay together.
The park can be busy.
We'll be careful.
How long will you stay?
A few hours.
Do you have a phone?
Yes.
Will you call us if you need help?
Yes, Mom. We promise.
Come home before evening.
We will.
Okay.
You can go.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you.
Packing for the picnic.
Let's get ready. What should we take? We need some food. I'll bring sandwiches. Great. What will you bring? Apples and bananas. Perfect. Don't forget water. Right. Let's take cookies too. Good idea. What about a bowl? Let's take it. We are ready. Let's go.
Walking to the park.
The weather is nice. Yes, it is. Look at the flowers. They are beautiful. I can hear birds. Me too. I love being outside. Me too. The fresh air feels nice. Yes. We're almost there. I can see the park.
Arriving at the park.
Wow. The park looks beautiful. It really does. Let's find a place. How about under that tree? Perfect. I'll spread the blanket. I'll help you. Thanks. This is a great spot. Yes, it is. Listen to the birds. They sound nice. The weather is perfect. I'm happy we came here. Me too. Let's take some pictures. Great idea. Smile. Cheese. The pictures look nice. Yes, they do.
Playing games.
Let's play with the ball. Sounds fun. Ready? Ready. Catch. Got it. Nice catch. Thanks. Let's play again. Sure. I'm getting tired. Me too. That was fun. Yes, it was. We played for a long time. We really did. My legs are tired. Mine too. Let's sit here for a while. Good idea. The weather is so nice. Yes, it is. I'm feeling hungry now. Me too. Let's eat. Okay.
Picnic lunch.
Wow. These sandwiches look amazing. My mom made them this morning. Really? Yes. Look at this apple. It looks fresh. It is very sweet. That's nice. What's your favorite picnic food? Sandwiches and cookies. Me too. The food tastes better outside. I think so too.
Relaxing after lunch.
That was a nice lunch. Yes, it was. I am happy. Me too. Look at the clouds. They are beautiful. This park is very nice. Yes, it is. I had a lot of fun today. Me too.
Going home.
The sun is going down. Yes, it's getting late. We should go home now. You're right. Let's pack everything. I'll fold the blanket. And I'll pack the water bottles. Great. Did we forget anything? I don't think so. Everything is packed. Good job. Ready to go? Ready. Let's go home. Okay. What a wonderful day. I know. I had so much fun. Me too. The picnic was amazing. Yes, it was. My favorite part was playing with the ball. Really? My favorite part was taking pictures. That was fun too. I'm glad we came to the park. Me too. Look at the sunset. It's beautiful. The sky is so pretty. Yes, it is. We should do this again someday. That's a great idea. Maybe next weekend. I'd love that. We're almost home. Yes, we are. Thanks for a great day. Thank you too. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.